Hey everyone, Josh here. Just going to do a quick video on cleaning TDI intakes. So the intakes get carboned up with soot from the EGR as well as a bit of oil mixing in. It makes a really gummy substance that coats the inside of your intakes. So the quick and easiest way is to burn any of the oil out, and then you can blow and chip away any of the dried carbon out, and then wash the remainder out with a pressure washer. So I'm going to show the quick process of burning it out. So one thing to keep in mind is don't get it too hot because aluminum does melt pretty easily. So doing two BRM intakes as well as my V10 intakes. The BRM are a great alternative to PD150 for us here in North America. So this is going on to a performance TDI to help breathe a bit better. So I'm going to try and get all the carbon out, and should help flow better. So I'm just going to show these two here how they cleaned up. So this is strictly using a heated pressure washer after burning all the oil out. So as you can see from before, these are all sooted up. It's not perfect, but the majority of it's cleaned up. As well as the BRMs didn't turn out quite as nicely, but all the majority of the buildup's off them now. So now they're ready to go back on the car and help breathe a bit better.